Something like how to wash your hair can seem so simple, but it's much more involved than wash, rinse, repeat. So today we'll be learning about 5 basic rules to shampoo your hair. Rule number 1 is use a conservative amount of shampoo. It's best to start with a dime-sized amount and add more from there. Try to use shampoo only one time in your hair and repeat only if required. Rule number 2. Say no to 2-in-1 shampoos. Always use shampoo first, followed with conditioner. Let both do their own jobs to get smooth, silky, and stronger hair. Rule number 3. Don't overwash your hair. Avoid using shampoo every day. That's not the right frequency and it only results in dry scalp. Use shampoo every second or third day. Overwashing of your hair may ruin the original natural shine of your hair. Rule number 4. There are tons of products available in the market, so be sharp while choosing right shampoo for your hair. Avoid using shampoos with the ingredients like sulfates, SLS, SLES, ALS, parabens, polyethylene glycols, PEG, alcohol, and sodium chloride. So next time, must give a read before buying out any shampoo. Rule number 5 and the most important rule is always match your shampoo with your hair type and needs. Be watchful what you aim for. Anti-frizz, volumizing hair, dry hair, oily scalp, longer hair, mild everyday shampoos, or else. It's an essential thing. So this is a comprehensive guide to shampoo and practical guide to make wash way better. Hope you liked the video. If so, give it a huge thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.